Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making Chef Michi's Vegetarian Stuffed Portobello Mushrooms. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Finely chop the mushroom stems. In a medium bowl, combine the chopped stems, spinach, cottage cheese, plain Greek yogurt, vegetarian sausage, shredded cheese, Parmesan cheese, fresh ground pepper, and garlic salt to taste, and fold into a thick paste. On a sheet pan or in a roasting pan, place the mushroom caps topside down and evenly divide the mixture onto the mushrooms, covering the surface of each. Cover generously with panko, then cooking spray, and finish with a sprinkle of parsley. Bake for 25 minutes or until tops are evenly browned and the mushroom caps are tender but still a bit firm. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.